Hey, Dana Williams here from the Tig Realty team at RE/MAX Fine Properties. I am in Independence Heights this afternoon on this gorgeous fall day. Don't let this weather stop you from coming out because you should be here checking out this house, 127 East Thornton in Independence Heights. Now this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, cute house. It's been updated and the yards are large. As you can see, I'm a long way from the front door and it's just a 1-street neighborhood. Really, really cool. First up, as my favorite things, this subway backsplash and the updated tile in the kitchen and dining room area. Cute kitchen that overlooks the front yard. Number 2, this primary bathroom. In these older homes, the bathrooms can sometimes be really, really small, but this one has been expanded with a great walk-in shower. Loving the tile. And this family room with vaulted ceilings and lots of natural light. I can see family and friends gathered around for the game or board game night. Lots and lots of laughter and memories made in here. So come out and check out this Independence Heights home this afternoon from 2 to 4. I'll be here showing it off. See you soon.